In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to transfer money from credit card to bank without charges. In this video, I'm going to be discussing some strategies that you can use to either completely avoid or minimize the amount of fees incurred when you make transfers to a bank account using a credit card. So, while this might be possible, it is going to be incredibly difficult for most standard credit cards. Credit card companies make money on fees and interest, so they typically charge for cash advances or money transfers. However, there are a few scenarios where you can minimize or even potentially avoid certain types of charges. The most common one by far is using money transfer credit cards. So as an example, the Tesco Bank Club Card credit cards will offer promotional periods where they have 0% interest on balance and money transfers. So as you can see here, they will have 0% interest on balance transfers for the first 3 months and also money transfers. Some of these cards will even have 0% for up to 18 months. However, of course, because it is going to be a promotional period after this is done and the promotional period ends, you will not have access to the 0% anymore. So use this promotional period while you can to make your transfers. And once this is done, be aware of the included fees. Pay it back before the 0% APR ends. If you don't pay the full transferred amount back before the promotional period ends, your total cost will only be the initial transfer fee. Or sorry, if you don't, you will be hit with very high interest rates on the remaining balance. And besides this option, there's not many other strategies that you can do. Something that a lot of people like to use is peer-to-peer payment services. So Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, and so on. These services allow you to transfer money from your own account to someone else's, and you can use your credit card to fund this transaction. And what the other person can do is send the money to their bank account and then send it back to you. So essentially, it is going to be a two-person process because it involves you and someone else you trust, and they will have to send it back. Of course, this relies on trustworthiness because if the other person does not send it to their bank and then back to you, you would have lost the money. So only do this with people you trust, like close friends and relatives. Besides these main options, which are usually easy to do, there's not much else that you can do to avoid the fees. Like I said before, this is the main strategy that banks use to make money. So avoiding this is extremely complicated. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from credit card to bank without charges. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.